this I gotta tell you guys, this is a game changer. That's right. I mean, everybody who's in the plumbing industry and does pipe fitting knows that they're using a Richard 300. I still use it. It's one of my great tools in my arsenal. But I will say this is the game changer right here, because this is what's going to change everything. And don't get it twisted, man. This you got a lot of torque, meaning like you don't want to break your wrist. But the good thing is, this has what they say, a kickback control. And basically what it is, when it jumps up, it has like some sort of a special clutch. I don't know the ins and out how it's designed, but I will tell you that it's a safety mechanism that if something were to happen, it shuts off the machine, and you know, this just shuts off. It doesn't keep going, doesn't perform, because you know, if you ever use a Richard 300, unless you have a pedal, you don't have a pedal, and you put that on forward button, and that shit catches, you know what happens next. It's either gonna flip you or gonna break your wrist, something. So in this case, that mechanism is built into this design. It comes from a very long way, I should say, because a lot of accidents have happened, and this, you know, prevents liability, prevents accidents, of course, lawsuits, so on and so forth. So I definitely want to make an investment. I will be making this investment very soon, shortly myself. So guys, this is what you need to do if you're in the pipe fitting. Look at this beauty, look at this work of art of pressing. This is what I use. This is something I have in my arsenal. Listen, from the days of soldering, you got that water that prevents you from making that seal, now to pressing that the job gets done. You don't need no fire, you don't need a torch. You come from a long way, and this makes life so much easier. My favorite is water heater. This is doing a gas line, it's doing a PEX line, but it's just to give you a little perspective of different applications in case you don't know. So, well, this is a phenomenal tool, guys.
So this is really ideally suited for our guys that do residential, like commercial work. This will give you up to 1 1/4 on copper, up to 1 1/2 on PEX crimp, and then now with the new IPS jaw we just released, they'll give you up to 1 inch on black iron pipe. Our M18 Force Logic press tool, this will go from all the way up to 4-inch copper. This will press up to 2-inch black iron pipe or any of your gas applications. And this will do up to 2-inch PEX crimp as well. This is our long throw press tool. So this is another M18 press tool, similar to this, except we've extended the length of the ram, so it's increased the amount of power that's in this tool. This will have all the same capacity as the regular M18, but this will allow you to press all the way up to 4-inch black iron pipe applications.
Really?
Yeah, so for gas and potable water, even at that 4-inch size on black iron press. So 4-inch copper, 4-inch black iron, and 2-inch PEX. These are our short throw M18 tools, and these are really catered to guys that are doing residential install with only PEX. So go ahead and squeeze the trigger when you're ready.
All right, ready?
The tool is going to auto cycle, so it won't shut off until it's reached full pressure. And that's it. You just made a 1-inch gas connection on a compact press tool.
So it's just that easy. All right, guys, we're over here at the Wall of Fame, which is like all the tools. Battery is a very big deal. So think of it as small, medium, large. So if you have the tool, you need the proper power and battery, because otherwise you're not going to get the full potential out of the actual tool. These are band saws. I use it to cut these pipes. We use it for many applications. We got a sawzall here. Of course, it makes a big difference when you have a battery sawzall, because sometimes you can't find power. Or how many times you go to a job, oh yeah, I got an outlet. You put the plug in the outlet, and you realize that the outlet is shot. There's no power. This is one of my favorite tools to pump. I use this specifically to pump out the water from the water heaters whenever you're doing a hot water heater replacement. That's right. Over here, you know, when I get the tunes going, some reggaeton, some merengue, some salsita. You got the Bluetooth radio. You want to match the brand, you want to match your tools. You're sweating your balls off in a hot summer day, you got a fan. This is the actual threading machine itself, as you take a look. So this, I believe, is for smaller pipe threads of a different size. But I mean, you get the point. So it's a power. This is basically just a threading machine with batteries on steroids. That's really what it is. It's a camera, and it's a snake. So I use this a lot on the furnaces and check out the heat exchangers, because a lot of times the heat exchangers are cracked and you can't get inside. And listen, check that out. Check out that camera right here. Right now we're about to cut a piece of black pipe. What size is it? Cast iron. Drees cast iron. That's right. We're gonna cut it with a torch Soulful blade from Milwaukee, and you're gonna watch Louis the Boilerman do it himself. Yo, let's go. I feel like I got a 50 count right here. Oh, wait! That's right, baby. I don't know if I'll be 11 seconds, but I got the job done. That's all that matters. Great tools that Milwaukee has to offer, because you know what, they don't just do applications for plumbing, they do applications for many other industries like carpentry, electricians, HVAC, plumbing, drain cleaning, and you know what, so that gives us more opportunities to do other different services. So in this case, I'm in the plumbing game, and what I want to go to, I maybe want to go to the drain cleaning, so they got the proper equipment to do the drain cleaning. I hope you guys like the show, because this is things that I come over here to take a look and learn on new technology. So, but listen, if this is what it takes to be the best plumber.